ꯅꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯃꯥꯄꯜꯗ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ꯫ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯨꯜ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯆꯣꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯂꯤꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯛꯅꯩ꯫ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯩ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯛꯅꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯥꯎꯔꯧ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯥꯟ ꯄꯟꯊꯩꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯧꯂꯥ ꯊꯥꯐꯝꯗ ꯆꯣꯡ ꯍꯨꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯆꯨꯊꯦꯛ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯈꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯔꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯅꯤ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯨꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯃ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯣꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯂꯤꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯆꯣꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯥꯔꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯄꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯁꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯐꯤꯕꯨꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯨꯅꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯃ ꯈꯦꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤ꯫
ꯅꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ, here it is a kind of conversation between god and goddesses. It is like they are making fun of each other, and the words this word is, if we combine the words in this song, which means nothing, it doesn't mean any sense, but every word have very depth meanings, like one word carries lot of stories, it is full of riddles. So this is a very one of this Nongthalenma Saisak is also one of the most popular Manipuri folk music, folk song in Manipuri society also. Here the Pena, the rhythm is like Pena raising 𝗡𝗢𝗡𝗚𝗧𝗛𝗏, and it is 8 half, 8 whole. In this song, you can understand easily that the word itself, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, it is in normal ways of life, there is not exact meaning of the tongue. Okay, 𝗏𝗏 means like next to next. It is in literally the meaning 𝗏𝗏, you be in next to next. But in one line, it doesn't make any sense. So it is kind of riddles. And then Nongmaijing do Uyale. Nongmaijing is a kind of a hills in the eastern side. And if you chopping one big tree, Uyanba means Uyanba have to chopping the trees, and Khong du har hare. Then your leg is like it is sacking, the earthquake is happening. Then Nushit Kapole. Nukshit means air, Kapon means This is a kind of a big basket. So all these words, it is if simply it is, there is no meaning at all. But what the meaning lying behind the song, it is something like teasing of a woman or teasing of a male, and it is a kind of riddles. That's a 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗛𝗛𝗛. It can be meaning something like we can be a friend, and roso 𝗙𝗙𝗛𝗛𝗛. Roso means this is like water and fire, which is and it cannot be never be happening to be together with water and fire. So roso 𝗙𝗙𝗛𝗛𝗛, let us be friend like water and fire. So Nongmaijing du uyale in this, when you are cutting down a tree in the sloping hill, which means your body will be second. That is a very much important. It's like a impossible task. Well, why you are proposing me, it's something like impossible task. Okay, and nungsit nga pole. That's the you can you catch the air with your basket, like that when the proposing what you are proposing me with, it is not impossible in forever and ever. So it is a kind of riddles.
home lay no but in the city. Cùng sinh lông đờ thì cùng đờ ta để tan thầm lấy vẫn thấu quân sĩ khai lấy và liên là quân sĩ khôn lấy và đi na xuống ta vẫn lấy đam mê vì mong na xuôi ta vẫn lấy đam mê vì lưu khai vì lưu lại mình thấu lại
Phibul jagoi saba loirba matung phibul ani adu maibina laigi chongkhong litpada khanba phi na yomlaga laigi phambal tamna kagani lai kaba sida saknaba isai mayek ki samlappa maroldi narui kheng narui low he low mai hairang mata langum taw he meloi langum taw alu khai 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 kachira ko hing koi koi he low mai haina sei